Hi guys, it's Lissa. I have Mushka with me. Say hi, mommy. She's in her fluff stage. Spring is coming. Sorry, spring is here. Summer, I have to give her a grooming. She'll look like a little Gund toy. So cute. Anyway, so I am excited today because I have an unboxing to do, and it's one of my most exciting ones that I've had so far because it is a doll that I ordered custom, and this came from all the way from Italy, and I am excited because it is a Paola Reina doll, but she's custom. And I will link this lady's information in the description box below because her specific customizing dolls is for Paola Reina dolls. And so she has a wonderful Instagram account. You can see everything there, and a Facebook account that I follow. And it's here from Italy. I paid a little extra to get her here quickly. I'm still waiting for others. Anyway, they're taking a longer time. But here is an original Paola Reina. And this is a Las Amigas. So I think her name is Chrissy, or she looks like Chrissy. I don't remember. Anyway, so this is my one that I bought, and she's gorgeous, and she's like I want to say 11 inches tall, 12 inch, I don't remember, but something like that, like, you know, so like a ruler, I guess, 13 inches maybe. And she's gorgeous, and she's so pretty, and I think I put her on another video. But anyway, this is a Paola Reina with the red, beautiful, soft hair. They're just like perfect little girls. They're not articulated at all, but who cares? Anyway, the shoe says Paola Reina on the bottom. That means that she's original, the shoes are. And her head moves, and you know, the usual, just that's it. 5 articulation. And she's just gorgeous, and a little simple dress and a little bag. I kept the tag on there. Anyway, this is what an original looks like, and I'll do a comparison when I open the other one. So let's dive in. I chose got my box cutter. I chose a brown eyes, and the hair, she had some samples of girls that she's made, and I chose little pieces from different girls, and I chose, which I've never seen before until I met this lady, teeth. She made little teeth for me. Oh my gosh. And if you look at this little mouth, look how tiny. I mean, she has beautiful full lips, but you made teeth. Oh my god. It's just like the people that customize live dolls and they add teeth. Can't wait to get those. I ordered some of those as well. Anyway, so I going to crack this open and unbox it. Oh my god, she's gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like in the box. She literally put the box in a box. The original Paola Reina doll. And she comes with a raincoat. The raincoat outfit is from the original, so this is the size. This is the Las Amigas. They come really small as well, which I think 8 inches. I guess like a little sister. I ordered one, I haven't gotten it yet. And not custom, just regular. And also, get this out of here. And also they have like this 30 inches, so big. I don't know if I want one of those, but they're beautiful, and they're different styles. But I love this size, is good for me. And she customized. Okay, so here we go. All right, so box, discard, nothing in there. Anyway, this is the Paola Reina box. It says it right there. And the back of the box, a little information. Paola Reina is how you pronounce it. And the original, and I'll show you. Close my cutter. Now these boxes come scented, vanilla scent. Now I know that she was customizing it, so I don't know how much vanilla is left. But when I get my originals, I will know more about that. Okay, so, wow. Okay, she's attached, but very easy to detach. So you just take the rubber bands off the hook. Really easy. And the feet, it keeps them in place. Good idea to use the original box. Oh, her face. Oh my goodness. How do they do that? You guys are truly artists if you can do that. Comes with this little Paola Reina thing. I don't know what it is. I think it's, oh, it's a brush and a mirror, and it says Paola Reina on it. Really cute. It's a ring, and you push out the brush. Look how cute that is in the mirror. Okay. Keep in the box. So let's see. She's so little. So there, I mean, it's the same size. Okay, so first of all, look at the hair. And you take a look, 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 look. Okay, so let's take off the hat. Lower this. Anyway, and the hair she made. So the original Paola Reina, this girl came. Oh my God, it's amazing. This is amazing. Oh, if you could see her little, look, there you go. Look at those teeth. Look at the baby teeth. Her hair is so soft. She made this hair. And I'm not an expert on what hair they use. Some people use the yarn and they turn it into hair, which is amazing. Oh, and she made her hair like a little Lucy. So the original, you can just do side to side and it's solid. She made hers more realistic and same body. And so this original doll has really blonde hair and straight and bangs, and you can look up the one with the raincoat. That's the one that before. And this is the after that my lady customized. Okay, I know you can see. Oh, look at those teeth. How gorgeous. Now an original looks like this. She's beautiful too. And then the one, see her mouth? Super cute. And then the one with the teeth. And the makeup. I'm in love. Look at that. Oh my God. The repaint. The eyes. The eyelashes. Okay, so I gotta show you real quick. So look at the eyebrows on an original Paola Reina. It's just a little paint there, right? Now look at the one she did. Look at those eyebrows. See that? So she's more realistic. She's so cute. I can't even. Oh my goodness. And these are new shoes and new tights. The doll comes with little socks and rain boots, I think, but like plastic. And this is good material. Oh, and she gave her a dress because I think the other one comes with like a turtleneck or whatever. So she kept the raincoat and the hat, but everything else is new. And she added a bow in her hair. Oh my goodness. I can't believe I finally got a custom doll and she's beautiful. There's no way I'm trying to do that. I'm a writer. I will stick to that. You guys, I will appreciate the art and repainting and customizing dolls and beautiful. She's just gorgeous. She's just gorgeous. Little head moving. Okay, so this is not the same one, but this is an original. And the original, she cost me $27 on sale, like 27 to 30 with tax, whatever, from Spain. And that's what they go for. It's like a regular doll. They're just precious. They're absolutely precious. And I ordered more, so they're on their way. I'll do a video about that. And actually, this one I got, yes. And then this one, again, she came from Italy. She customized her for me, and she's precious. I may give her the name Layla. I like the name Layla, L-A-Y-L-A. And that's my Pomeranian barking at the door. Who's there? Mila, you want to say hi? Look at my dolly. Anyway, Mushka. Sorry, that always happens. And yeah, so she is beautiful. I'll give you a last look. Look at that. Gorgeous. And I will link all of the information below. PR dolls, I think I'll get it. She didn't put a card in here, but I have her on Facebook and everything else, so I will get that to you if you're interested. And the hair is just beautiful, so real, like just real. And if I want to use the little brush she gave me, just do it lightly, because I'm not sure what this is made of, but definitely brushable. So adorable. Look at her. Little fish. All right. Thank you for watching my customized Paola Reina doll. Thank you so much.